4 tens. 4 tens means 4 times 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40. So, 4 tens mean 40. Now, 7 tens. 7 tens means 7 times 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70. So, 7 tens means 70. 110. 110 is simple. 1 time 10. So, 110 is equal to 10. Tens and ones. In 2-digit numbers, the first number is called tens and the second number is called ones. So, 36. In 36, 3 is 10. So, 3 tens mean 3 times 10 and 6 ones plus 6 ones. Now first we will add 3 tens. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 6 ones. So 30 plus 6 ones is equal to 36. Now this is a number 58. In 58, 5 is a tens and 8 is a ones. So 5 tens means 5 times 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and plus 8 ones. 5 tens mean 50. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 8 ones is equal to 58. 1, 3, 13. In 1, 3, 13, first number is 1 is a tens and second number is 3 is a ones. So 110 mean 1 time 10 and 3 ones. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13.